Here's hand drawings that depicted the little boats ferrying people from the big ships to the mainland. You see a little picture of Mount Fuji there in the back. And those are the old ocean routes. Notice the big loop around Africa. This was before the Suez Canal. And before the Panama Canal, for that matter. A bust of somebody important, a Japanese guy. So paintings of what happened and transpired. Those scrolls. Or old Japanese books. Here's some artifacts. Replica artifacts. And here is what looks like the Mura Peninsula. Right there is where my apartment currently is. This part of the ocean would be Tokyo Bay. We come out here to the Pacific, and this is the tsunami danger part of the peninsula. And up towards that way is Fujisawa, and over towards that way would be Tokyo.